Now, what is this date? The 20th? The 18th? I believe it's the 18th. 18th of October, 24. We gonna go this morning. We got Billy Lanford. He's from over here at Columbia, Blakely area. And he's hunted with us quite a few times before. He's got him a new Connecticut Works 28 gauge. It's just absolutely beautiful. And I'm shooting Bob's Easy CZ. I call it Easy. And we're gonna just do the best we can. It's gonna be fun, and we ain't in no hurry. And old as I am, I can't get in a hurry. So I believe Lucy's already pointed up there. And these are single birds today, and we're not gonna miss them today. Billy's new gun's got radar on it. And it's beautiful this morning. It's cool, good, dry. And here's Miss Lucy. Guy came yesterday, Billy, and Lucy pointed like this right off. He said, that dog just came up here and pointed. I said, well, that's what we want him to do. Now, Billy, tell me when you ready.
Okay.
And we don't have no clue where he's going now. Whoa, baby. Whoa, now. Good girl. Good girl. He ain't here. Uh-oh. Let's see if I can find him. Come in here, baby, and find him. Hey, come back in here.
Get away from the sun.
Okay, what if you come in that way?
Okay. We're gonna get away from the sun, Bob.
Whoa, baby. Good girl. Good girl. Now, Billy, what I'm gonna do is go around here. And you come in. Are you okay there now?
Where you want me to come?
How about come in this way and you won't be in the sun? You get wherever you want to.
Flush your back out.
Oh, okay. Good girl.
I see you, Bob. We see you.
Good girl. Good baby. Bob! He's gone. Come on, baby. He's gone. Find this bird. Where is he? Come on, find him. Find him. Oh my. 2 out of 2 ain't good.
We know he was there.
Well, we do. Find him, baby. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Find him. Find him, Lucy. Bird. Bird, baby. Bird.
That's unusual, isn't it, Bob?
Yeah. Well, she...
What?
Maybe that's him.
Here we go, Doc.
Okay, good girl. Good baby.
He's walking around, that bird is.
Yeah.
Okay, girl.
Well, Bob, 2 out of 2. That ain't good. That's where he was, girl. Well, I mean, she's hunted it pretty good. I guess we better go on. Well, okay, baby. Good girl. Well, baby, you fooling me. Where is he? Find him. Find him, Lucy. Where is he, baby? Come on. Find him. Well. Come on, baby. Go ahead. Where is he?
skunkers.
She smells a bird.
In here somewhere.
Yeah. Lucy. Well, I don't know, Billy. We got to refine our technique. She's looking like she's the bird's right here. Come on, baby. I don't know where he is. Come on. Lucy.
Lucy? Where that bird, girl? Did he come across here? He's been here, hasn't he, Lucy?
Find him, girl. Where is he? Bird, Lucy. Bird, baby. Find him, baby. You just doodle him. He's been walking right here. Come on, Lucy. Come on, baby. Ah, I don't believe he's way up there. Come on, baby. Come on, find this bird. We got to go, girl. Come on. They're not in here, girl. I've walked all of this. Come on. Come on. She is convinced there's a bird in here. A rabbit or something. There he went.
She did a hell of a job, Sammy.
Didn't she? I did it good, didn't I? Come on, baby. Good girl. Good Lucy. Uh-huh. Hope so, Billy. Here he is. I see you. You ready?
Yeah.
He wasn't much of a flyer, was he? Lucy, come in here, baby. He's right in here. Where are you, Lucy? Come here, girl. Uh-oh. She's pointed down here. That bird's right there.
Okay.
Let's see what she's got right here. Lucy, come here. Bird in here. Lucy. Hey, Lucy. Lucy, bird in here. Bird. Bird, Lucy. Come on. Bird in here. Come on. Lucy, come on. Find this bird. Okay, Billy. He may not fly very good. Where is he, girl? Find him. Find him, baby. I know he's right here. I know it. She thinks he's dead. Dead. Dead, Lucy. You might have hit him. Here's the bird. He dropped a leg.
Yep. He was hit. And he got up, I think.
Okay. Billy,
Yes, sir.
I'll go get this bird. Y'all just wait right there. Okay. How about? Now, Billy, you got to do this now. We ain't got time to keep fooling around. Tell me when you're ready.
I'll be ready anytime.
Anytime. Well,
Get him. Get him, Doc. Oh, he's right there. Good.
well, I'm really good. Y'all know that.
All right.
I knocked feathers out of it.
Got to shoot at him. That was the main thing.
Whoa, baby. Good girl. Good Lucy. Baby, that's great. You're doing so good. I don't know. We're going to find out though, Billy. Tell me when you're in position. All right. You ready?
Oh, I see him down here. I think here's a bird. Here's a bird. No. He is not.
I don't know. I don't see him yet. Yeah. Girl, where is this bird? Is he right here? I thought he was. Come on. Come on, girl. Dead bird. Dead bird, Lucy. Get him. Ah. Darn bird. Come on, baby. Come on. He hit right there. I saw. Dead bird, Lucy. Come on. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. Come on. Dead bird, Lucy. Dead bird. Here he is.
Okay, he's dead.
No, he's sitting up, but now where he gonna fly? You ready?
Yes, sir.
Good shot. Way to go. Dead bird, Lucy Doocy. Dead. Lucy was pointed over here.
Okay.
And kept holding and holding. Y'all shot. After y'all shot, two birds got up over here.
Okay.
And then Addie came in here and pointed this one loose back.
Okay.
It was just right. Good deal. I don't know where those birds came from. Just some left over, you know.
This is walked off.
It is?
I say she pointed right on top of it. She's not looking.
Huh. Well, I'm sorry.
Could be good. I don't think so.
Maybe that was the bird over here. A part of this, where she pointed over there.
How do we want to do this, Bob? Just get around that far side and we'll try to walk it too.
And Bob, you want to come on this side?
I'm not going to shoot.
Okay.
I don't know if they're wild birds or
Come on, baby. Good girls.
they're probably pen raised.
Probably are. These are not wild. They just walking.
Get
Good.
them up there, Billy. Okay. We'll take your time. They're in this cover right here. Okay. I don't know how many there are. Several. All right. I'm here.
Everybody ready?
Come out that far side, and I go in there.
Here they are. There's 4 or 5 in here. Get up from there. Get up from there. Good shot, Billy. Dead bird, Lucy. There goes another one.
Whoa.
Dead bird, Lucy. Way to go, Billy. Okay. This is a bird he just got. Beautiful rooster. And the dogs are just wearing it out.
Whoa.
Billy is in here, and we're gonna try to get him up, okay?
Okay.
Good shot. I don't know. Where is he, girl?
Bird dog. Big bird dog.
Bob?
Better than that.
Okay. I don't know. Leave them alone, I reckon.
Yeah.
These ain't wild birds.
Walk him up, we'll get out.
Lucy's pointed down here. Good girls. I hear them whistling.
I'm gonna put her on the lead and get her.
Okay, all right.
Whoa, baby.
There's a bird whistling right here. Billy, let me get this bird up for you now.
Oh, okay. Bob's bird there.
No,
He's gonna go Bob's way. No.
I see him. Hear him?
Okay. Come over here, Doc.
Okay. Do y'all hear him?
Yeah.
He's in and amongst these. I don't know if I see him. He went back in here when I go around there. Mighty. Get out of there, bird. I don't see him now.
There he is. He's right here. He's just going around in circles.
I know. Where'd you see him?
There he is, right there. Right there. Right there.
Lucy.
It might be. You can't fly.
Might be, bro.
He flew back down the hill.
Let's get out of here. Did you get him?
Got it.
Good.
See you, Daddy.
Dead, Lucy. Way to go.
Get out of here.
Yeah. Mr. Luke is pointed again. I better get me a bullet in my gun. It won't work without bullets. Billy's got this one. He popped that other one good. Pah! Little dinky bird, boy. Ah, Billy. He ain't worth a toot. Yeah. He can't go. He can't go. He ain't. Isn't he right here?
Can't go now.
Yeah, he won't go no more, will he? Bob, I saw you good. It don't make no difference to me. I'm equally bad on both sides. This is the dog that laid an egg over yonder, y'all. I'm telling you. Okay, now, Luke. Well, I don't know, Bob. He sure got him. I don't see it. Here he is, right here.
Oh, okay.
You ready, buddy? 1, 2, 3. Well, pooey. Come ahead, Luke. Bob, send him on. Luke, he's gone right there, bud. That's mighty good, Luke.
there, Sammy.
Might be where our bird is.
This looks like the real thing, Billy.
Okay, I'm coming around.
All right, I'm gonna wait right here.
Just kind of have to be a little shook with it. Whoa. Okay, Doc.
You know this bird's walking. Well, I better be ready. He could pop up any time. I thought he sure had him right here. Well, we've had hard hunting this morning, but beautiful dog work. Well, loop, loop, loop.
Whoa,
Maybe.
how about this?
That bird is walking everywhere, Bob.
Never had a pen-raised bird walk like this, man.
We never had them.
Never, ever.
Whole time we've been hunting. Well, I think he eluded us, Bob.
Looks like it.
Yeah. That's the most careful I've ever seen Luke hunt. I mean, which shows he... Oh, this is probably our last roundup, him. And Billy's got to get this one.
No.
No pressure.
Whichever one. I'm coming up over here, Doc.
Okay, buddy, I'm gonna wait till you get in position.
Yeah, let me just get right over here. I'll see over the brush. I'll be fine. I'm good to go.
Good to go.
Doc. Man. Bob, that gun for sale?
I know where there's one like it.